Meet the Realme P4S 5G, combining a smooth display, powerful performance, and a massive battery. The Realme P4S features a slim 8.6mm body and weighs around 208 grams. It also comes with IP68 and IP69 protection for improved resistance against dust and water. On the front, you get a large 6.78-inch AMOLED display with support for 1 billion colors. The sharp 1272 by 2772 resolution delivers detailed visuals with a pixel density of around 450 ppi. With a fast 144 Hz refresh rate and HDR10+ support, scrolling and supported content look incredibly smooth. The display can reach 1400 nits in high brightness mode and up to 6500 nits of peak brightness. For software, the Realme P4S runs Android 16 up to 3 major OS updates with Realme UI 7 and long-term update support. Powering the phone is the MediaTek Dimensity 7400 Ultra, built on an efficient 4nm process. Its octa-core CPU and Mali-G615 MC2 GPU are designed for smooth daily performance and gaming. You can choose from 128 or 256 GB of storage with 8 or 12 GB RAM and fast UFS 3.1 technology. The main 50-megapixel camera includes PDAF and optical image stabilization for sharper photos. An 8-megapixel ultra-wide camera with a 112-degree field of view helps capture wider scenes. For video, it supports 4K recording and electronic stabilization for smoother footage. On the front, a 16-megapixel selfie camera handles photos, video calls, and full HD video recording. For audio, the Realme P4S offers stereo speakers and high-res audio support. Connectivity includes 5G, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.4, GPS, and USB Type-C. With a massive 8,000 mAh battery and 80-watt fast charging, the Realme P4S 5G is built for all-day power.